All right, everybody, this is a special inequality. It looks like the type where the princess up here is in a tower and our prince is trying to save her. So it's kind of like that, but not quite. So let me show you what I mean. When you have this division bar right here and one number underneath, we've got to get rid of it first. There's nothing else around it, so we got to get rid of this first. This means divided by 2. So the only way to get rid of something being divided by 2 is to multiply each side by that 2 or whatever number's underneath. That will cancel out. Okay, I'm going to draw a line all the way across, and I bring down the negative x. Boy, I should have used a stylus. Negative x minus 6. I'm going to bring down the less than. And then 4 times 2 is 8. Please use your calculator. Now I'm going to look at it, and it says negative x minus 6 less than 8. Well, that minus 6 has to be canceled out, or it has to be a 0 pair. So we're going to add 6 to each side to make it go away. Okay. And I wrote the same thing, so I'm drawing my line. So I'm going to bring down my negative x. Can't leave that negative behind. It's going to be important here in the middle, or in a minute, excuse me. Less than, and then I'm going to come over here and use my calculator. 8 plus 6. I am not ashamed. So that is 14. Now, this is something you need to see. Do you see that negative in front of that x? That's a negative 1. The only way to get rid of it is to divide each side by a negative 1. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here and keep working. Hold on one second. I'm going to draw myself a box. So when I take negative x divided by negative 1, I'm trying to make my phone stop ringing, guys. Hold on. When I take negative x divided by negative 1, that gives me just x. But I divided by a negative, so I have to flip the inequality. Then 14, I'll use my calculator again, divided by negative 1 gives me negative 14. So my answer for this is x is greater than 14. Okay?